So I'm going to show you two really quick and easy updos today. So you're going to start off by putting little ponytails at the nape of the neck. And this style really works well on short hair or longer hair. It really doesn't matter. So you put all the ponytails in and then just do a little bit of teasing out as much as you want just to create a little bit of texture and volume. Next, you're going to take hold of the ponytails and do some braids. So I'm going to be pulling these braids out a little bit, but you don't have to do this, or you can pull out a little bit more. It's entirely up to you. Some people like to use a little bit of texture spray or dry shampoo as they're doing this. But I'm just literally taking my fingers, teasing out the sides of these braids, and then just popping little elastics in the bottom. So once you have all of those braids in, you're just going to take hold of them and just start twisting them and then getting your pins, pinning and pulling. And you can make this as big as you want. It's literally that simple. The messier the better, and kind of like spinning them round. You can make it sort of more bun shaped or long shaped. It's up to you. Pulling out, adding a bit of texture, and this is the finished result. It should take you about 5–10 minutes to do this style. Super quick, super easy. The next one, again, it's really, really easy. We're going to be using elastics. I'm just popping the hair into ponytails, but then half pulling through. So you're almost creating a loop. And then I'm teasing it out and pinning. Then I'm going to take another section of hair, add it all together in the ponytail, half pull it through to make a loop, and then tease it out and pin. And you just keep doing that all the way. I'm kind of making this more of like an updo, less on the neck, but you could make it lower if you wanted to. I just thought it looked really, really pretty being pulled up and away from the neck like that. Again, you're just pinning, teasing out, and again, you've got a lovely updo in minutes.